Hey there, welcome back to our channel. We just wanted to take a moment to express our sincere appreciation for each and every one of you who have been with us on this journey. Your support means the world to us, and we are truly grateful for your continued loyalty. It's truly humbling to see how our channel has impacted your lives and assisted you on your path to success. We hope that this channel can help change your life, just like it has changed ours. Now let's delve into some simple yet enlightening tips about making money online, with a special focus on social media marketing such as YouTube. We comprehend that this is a subject of great interest to many of you, so we aim to equip you with invaluable insights that could guide you on your journey. Whether you're hoping to initiate a side hustle or establish a full-time online business, we've got you covered. From affiliate marketing to freelancing, and even harnessing the power of social media platforms like YouTube, we'll traverse different pathways that can help you procure income from the comfort of your own home. We'll divulge strategies, tools, and resources that have been effective for us and others in the digital realm, so ensure you stay tuned and jot down notes. As we wrap up this video, we want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for being a part of our community. Your support, engagement, and feedback have been invaluable to us. We truly believe that you have the power to make your dreams and goals a reality, and we're here to support you every step of the way. So keep pushing forward, keep learning, and keep taking action. Together, we can achieve great things. Thank you once again for being a part of our journey. We can't wait to see what the future holds for all of us. Until next time, take care and keep hustling.